Hello. Yes, now it's audible. Hello. Hello. Yes, it's audible, Nikita.
Yeah, I can hear you, sir.
Fine, fine, done.
Okay. Yeah.
So we were discussing about the pending payment reminders, and for example, suppose you want to make something small software for the same, we may have the charges of the approximately 3,000. That is just a random figure I am writing over here, and
Mhm.
the software that can help you to send a WhatsApp message that will cost you 1,000 rupees per month. That is a minimum costing. For example, suppose you want to send a 2,000, 3,000 messages, then that many charges will be applicable. And once this is ready, you can able to send such messages automatically to your customers for the pending payment reminder. If your pain point is pending payment, then you should use or develop such softwares that can help you to save the time. Second things, as per the market survey, for example, out of 100 business, if the 100 business are closed due to some of the reasons, 60 business are stopped due to not receiving payment on time or not receiving fully payments. That is the major cause behind closing of the any organizations. So organization is closing, organization is not working. That means they are having a major issue with the payment receiving. So you can think on that. If your pain point is this, then you need to focus on this one. Then how to send WhatsApp API for the marketing? Here, this AI Sensei is the paid tool. Suppose you want to send a free WhatsApp message, then you need to generate a link like this, wa.me, then number is there, then you need to write it down, your number. And for example, you are maintaining using Excel, let's say. So you need to prepare such sheets over here. For example, name over here, then let's say here is some mobile number, ABC 1 2 3 4 5, example XYZ 1 2, for example some random number, and here you need to generate these links. So let me generate this link using the formula. Here the number will be, I will take it from the previous cells. So now you can see the things, link is generated. So you can click on that particular links and you can send WhatsApp, but that is a manual process. So manual process can take time. If you want to make automations, it can save your time. But for the same, you need to go for the paid tools. WhatsApp messages is not free tools right now. They are providing the paid APIs. So you can use that paid API for that particular WhatsApp promotions. That is a particular AI Sense. This website is there. AI Sense is not only the single website. There are n number of different websites, but this is the competitive rate website, I can say. This is just starting with 1,000 rupees only. So that is, I can say that is very less. Plus, they are giving 1,000 rupees credit also. So credit you are getting of the same amount. So whatever the messages you are sending, that will be adjusted with the amount you are paying. So that is a benefit. Then how to use the WhatsApp messaging to increase the sales? Suppose you are using AI Sensei, then you can blast messages to 100,000 or lakhs of user at a time. That is possible. Yes, that all are the chargeable. Yes. Now, suppose you want to go into the depth, what is exactly the charging? Then charging is approximately 55 rupees, 0.55, or we can say that 55 paisa per message is there. Per message charges will be there. Here there are two ways: customer to business or business to customer. The message initiator is who? Customer has sent a message to you. That is the first. That is the way one. Or another way. Here, both the pricing are different one. For business initiated charges will be approximately 0.55 paisa to 0.70 paisa. I'm not saying that exact price that because that exact price may be vary. So you need to go to that particular WhatsApp pricing details. And again, that message charges will be differ for country to country. If you are sending for the India, charges will be different. If you are sending to USA, charges will be different. If customer initiated his conversation, then charges will be again different. This is just random value I am writing, but approximately this is the starting charges will be there. Actual charges, you need to refer the WhatsApp documentation for the business API. That will be provided by the these kind of website. For example, you have registered with the AI Sensi. Then AI Sensi will provide you the all the document that if you are sending that message from India to USA and as a business initiator, you are sending the message, this will be the charge. Yes, that software is available. You can buy that software with 2,000, 3,000 or 5,000 rupees. That will send WhatsApp to all the users. That will be from your WhatsApp message. And if WhatsApp systems find it out that this is the spam messages, WhatsApp may block your account. So that is as per your risk. One of customer has requested to manually prepare such software. So we have made a one particular application. Using that application, he is sending the manual messages. So he has hired one particular person is clicking on one number, sending that particular message, two number, sending that message, three, sending that message. So person has hired that particular message, but that is a manual message they are sending. So in manual message sending, blocking charges, blocking possibilities are 0%. But if you are sending via some of the automated software, then there may be a chances that your WhatsApp may be blocked. That manual software is there. But the software keeps tracks of the all the data. For example, if you are having 100 contacts or let's say 1,000 contacts in your mobile, you want to send one message to one context. For example, you have started conversations of one particular message on 30 April. That particular persons you want to send it after 15 days only. Software will keep track. Software will display that this person you have sent a message to this person on this particular date. So whenever you are visiting, that particular list will be there. So that particular person, whatever the person who is sending that message manually, they are not supposed to remember everything. Software will remember everything. Plus, whenever you are getting some incoming inquiry, whenever you are sending, suppose you have sent a WhatsApp message to the 10 customers, one customer will pop up, sir, I want this product. So you need to have that entry of that particular inquiry. The same thing we have already included into that softwares. So that is as per their requirement. That is custom totally. That is not a generalized software. That is a custom one as per their requirement. They are having something in their mind that I want to send WhatsApp message to all my customer. They are having 10,000 plus contacts. What they are doing, they are repeatedly sending message to 10,000 contacts. They have hired one particular person, they are paying what amount? Just 8,000 amount to that particular person is coming up at morning 10 a.m. They are taking that mobile, they are opening the software, they are clicking on message, pasting message, clicking, paste, click, paste. That is their duty. In one day, they are sending approximately 200 to 300 or 500 messages. And they are getting a very good result out of this. So this is the environment investment. Software development investment is there, plus one person investment is there. But here chances is blocking chances is the 0. So depending upon your requirements, you can focus is out. So if any doubts are there in questions, we can discuss it out. Otherwise, we can start the questions up your. So is there any questions or doubts? Nikita?
Sir, I've written 2 questions in the document.
Okay. Okay. Any software website to build storyboard according to our story? Okay, you want to generate that automated storyboard. Let me check it out. Here is something like this storyboard with the AI. You can have a look on this storyboard AI. What is the pricing? Let's see. So they are providing you the 7-day free trial. Have you used any software for the same? Here the options they are providing. Try it out with this one and let me know. Do you have do we have any software website which converts audio story into the video? Yes, that is available. Audio stories into videos. Actually, so many videos right now built with 2 or 3 tools. One thing is they are making scripts, auto script generation. Then they are making audio from script with character as per your choice. And third thing is generation of video along with background images. And then you have the chances, you have options to edit it. Here actually 3 different websites are there. I will share you. Right now I don't have the bookmark of that particular things, but I will definitely share you all these 3 websites, because that 3 different websites are there. So that is possible. Any other questions? Inventory management. Okay. How inventory management software can help organization to for the manufacturing? So whenever you are discussing about the manufacturing, so what is the process change? So you are making a product. For example, let's take an example of a computer. You are making a computer product. So what you need is you need a CPU, you need a keyboard, you need a mouse, you need a monitor, you need a RAM, motherboard, and so many other items you need it. So just for the simplicity, we are taking example of the computer, that you want to make a computer, then you need this. These all are the raw material for you. Again, sometimes that may be, for example, let's say you want a 2-core CPU. So you need a 2 CPU basically. So 2 quantity is required. Keyboard, you want only one. Mouse, you want only one. Monitor, you want only one. But sometimes it happens that you want a 2 monitor. You have a large screen, or some special cases, 2 monitors are required. RAM, again, 2 RAMs are sometimes required. Motherboard will be the general one. So this is the actually product plus sub product concept. One major product is there, that is your outcome. Sub product is required at the time of manufacturing. Let's say you got the order of, let's say 10 computer. Then your first problem will be how many items I want it as a raw material. So that is your biggest challenge, that you need to calculate it out. because whenever you're making some product, you need a raw material. Again, that raw material will be different as per your business, as per the requirements, or product as per the. So what is the exactly stock available for me? Then whatever the remaining stock, for example, that much stock is not available. So whatever the remaining item is, that I need to order it from my vendor. So actually, so many process chains are involved over here. What is the technical part involved? If we take it as a points by point, so what is involved over here? So whenever you are getting the order from the customer, so you are doing customer order entry, then stock verification is there. Before that, you need to prepare a BOM. That is a bill of material, that one particular one product, major product one, sub item 1, sub item 2. Here 2 quantity require, here 1 quantity require, sub item 3, and so on. So that you need to make it out. That is one particular product specification. Then whenever your customer is entry is done, at that time you need to find it out the raw material verification, that raw 1 stock, let's say stock is 100, and what is my requirement? Okay, requirement is 120, so 20 I have to order. So again, here you are supposed to send PO, purchase order, to your supplier. Again, that will be again difficult, because sometimes some of the items you are purchasing from the supplier 1, some items you are taking from the supplier 2, supplier 3, because that will be item wise. So that multiple POs you need to prepare it. Then material receive, or we can say as a GRN. Again, GRN will be partial, because suppose you order for the 10 items, they are saying on phone, sir, 10 item is not available, can I send 5 items? Right now I have 5 items. You are saying, please send me 5 items. So out of 10, only 5 is received. So you need to maintain that track also, that what is my demand, what is my requirement, what is received, what is remaining. For remaining, you need to again pitch that particular supplier, please send me remaining 5 items, please send me remaining 5 items. So this is complete process. If you are going with a complete manual process, there are so many stuck up. And for the one point of time, let's say you are not available for 2 days, what will happen? Production will be zero, because you are not available. So many chaos will be there, because whatever the production manager is there, who is managing everything, stock, purchase order, inventory, GRN, and they are not available. So somebody else is not knowing about that all points. So there are n number of problems is there. So what is the solutions? This is the actually not a small point, that is a big point. So for the same, you are supposed to go with ERP software that can help you. Enterprise resource planning as per your requirement. You need to build your customized ERP, or check out with some of the vendor. If they are providing the exact this functionality and suitable to your business, then you can directly purchase it out or make customized one. What is the difference between ready product and customized product? Pricing. For example, ready product, for example, you are getting some of the ready product at 5,000 rupees. The same customization product, you will get it as a 25,000 rupees. But what is the benefit? Here, 100% customization is possible. Means, suppose you want to send SMS, email, WhatsApp on your mobile, on application, everything is possible. Here, nothing is possible. Whatever they are serving, you have to take.
Sir, initially, sales करें, जैसे bill बने, it directly email ID को देते हैं.
Yes, possible. Yes, possible. Tally is providing some restricted functionality, but Tally customization is available. So you need to search out some of the vendor, or some of the expert who can make a customizations in Tally. They can connect you with any software because nowadays customization is everywhere available. But some of the ready products are not allowing to do any customizations. They are sticky with their functionality only. Even they are not allowing you to extract data from their software to outside one. Backup. They are not providing even. You have to compulsory use that software. Because if you are taking outside the data, there is a chances that you will be going to somewhere else. So that is the biggest threat for them. So they are going to lose the customer. So they are not allowing. But in case of the customizations, you can have. What is the problem over here? Here, you need to say everything. Here, concepts. All the concept you should be have clear concept in your mind. Then and then you will get it. Otherwise, that 25,000 will be lost. If you have the perfect plan, then execute it. And how you can get a perfect plan? Just dig into your business. Go into the diff. Whatever is your business process, analyze it out at depth level. So what I suggest is go for always customization. Wait for 1 year, then go for the particular customizations. Whenever you are starting with a new business, don't go with direct customizations. Wait for 1 year, write it down all the problem, then go for the customizations because you are having the concept now. Now go for the customizations. Don't go with the ready product because ready product will help you with limited functionality only. They cannot help you to reach. The ready product will give you the ready basic result only. Whatever your competitor is doing, the same thing you are doing. So there is no differentiation between your competitor and you. So you need to do something else. Then and then you can make some better profit. So you need to have that customization. Before going with the customizations, first hire some of the expert consultant. That is the biggest requirement nowadays. Why you need a consultant? Because you don't know anything about technology. You are visiting to the vendor. Vendor is saying this is the very good, this is very good, but you don't know to whom you can confirm it out. The same thing we are doing with the doctor. We are visiting to doctor one, we are taking consultations. What we are doing? We are visiting to second doctor, taking the consultations and verifying it out. Yes, now it is said that almost similar consultations are going on. We are verifying somewhere. So you need someone as a consultant to help you to take a right decisions because the technology is also there, your vision may be there. What extra things you can edit out? What magic you can do it out? If you go with this problem, what I have started with this particular problem, suppose you go to this particular problem with some of the persons, they are knowing just basic Excel, they will do copy paste. They will sit for 1 day or 2 day or 3 days, they will do copy paste. But if you come up with me, I will say you, just give me a few minutes, I will make magic happens. And I will give you the magic. Just press this particular shortcut key and something is done. So you need to find out the right persons to save your exact time. Yes. So that is related with this one. Any free software to check plagiarism? It is difficult for the plagiarism, but Grammarly tools, I think you can afford it. I recommend to use the Grammarly tool because Grammarly is providing the plagiarism check. Would you like to check the plagiarism for the general case or specifically for the research purpose?
Is for some websites. I'm
For
writing
some,
some
you are writing a content for the website.
yeah, and for the web
Okay, so base
application.
thing is go to the Chat GPT.
Yeah.
Chat GPT tool.
Yeah.
So you can save your time and that Chat GPT will generate the best conversations. So give more and more input to the Chat GPT that I am writing for these organizations. I want this kind of content. You give something proper things to the Chat GPT. You will get a complete writing content. Let me show you. Can you give me one or more keywords for the same? Chat
I'll
GPT is
use,
free version is available.
yeah, I'm using that one, so that's fine, sir. I can use that one.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is the best tool I can say. Right now that free tool is there. Even you can go with the paid tool also. ChatGPT is basic version is a free available.
Mhm.
I forgot my password. I don't remember it out. Don't know. Because my team is using, so I am generally handing over the keywords to my team. Team is generating all the codes, all the contents, and they are sending back to me.
Okay, no worries. Fine. I can use ChatGPT. I know how to use it.
Yes.
Okay.
And one thing is there, Grammarly for education is might be free. So if you are going for a student or let's say institutions, so you can opt for the free versions.
Okay.
Suppose you have connection with some of the colleges or students,
Mm-hmm.
so you can get that free. Even for Canva for education is again free.
Okay.
So if you are affiliated with colleges or universities, so you can register as a faculty or you can register as a student and you can
Mm-hmm.
get all the premium details, all the premium functionality free of cost.
Okay, no worries. Thank you.
Fine.
Yeah.
Let us take the next questions. Yes, how to increase the view on YouTube video? Yes, now let me show you the YouTube. So this is the video, sir. Yes, fine. So what you are supposed to do whenever you are uploading that video, let me open management tool for the YouTube. Your video. Here you can see the thing. So many videos are available over here. That is of my personal channel. Let me change it to another account. They are having a business video. So this is the executive video. For example, suppose you want more traffic on that particular video. What you are supposed to do? You need to find it out the right keywords and content for the same. Let me show you one example. So here is one video, for example, that why software development is important for enterprise. Whenever you are uploading the video, this is the title. You need to make that title attractive plus content. Here another thing is that thumbnail. Thumbnail image you can make it using Canva. Make a attractive thumbnail image. For example, suppose you want to make a particular video related with this. Let's see. For example, Sarirna Gatako. So what you are supposed to first search out that particular keywords. So here you will find it out so many other options. So you can use something like this image. Here we can read it out. સાવધાન શરીરમાં આવું થાય તો વિટામિન B12 ઘટી ગયું હોય. સાવધાન, that word they are using. So you need to find it out some of the pitches, that is a sales pitch basically, to attract that particular things. And you need to make these kind of images. Suppose you go to the Canva and if you search over here, let's say YouTube. So YouTube banner is there, displayed, profile picture, short, thumbnail is also there. So you are supposed to prepare a thumbnail from this particular Canva. So here so many templates are there. So you can see the things. So that is readily available. Just you need to change the content. Rest of the things are already available. So many thousands of templates are readily available. You need to make some attractive content. Plus, along with that, click on a show more option. Here, first thing you need to select the language. Suppose you are going with some other language, then you need to select that language. Otherwise, YouTube is not knowing that particular language you have chosen. So you need to make that particular language. Second thing, captions. Captions are generally auto-generated. But suppose you want to modify their things, you can using that editor options.
મારે question
Yes.
normally જો આપણે ટેક્સ્ટ का टाइप ગુજરાતી રાખીએ તો ઇંગ્લિશ માં સર્ચ કરે તો ભી આપણું બતાવે તો આપણે બી ટાઈપ સિલેક્ટ કરી શકીએ.
Yes. Suppose somebody is searching on English and you want to display your content also. So in particular text descriptions, you can write it down multiple languages also. That is possible.
ડિસ્ક્રિપ્શન માં જે બધું કરવું પડે.
Yes.
ટાઇટલ માં કોઈ બી એક જ લેંગ્વેજ.
Title, but title there is a limitations of the characters. So in title we have limited space. Suppose you want to have the English and Gujarati all the things, that is not possible. Again, user will confuse it out.
એટલે એવું નથી. આ તમે કેમ કીધું કે ઇન્ડિયન ઇંગ્લિશ એવી રીતે સિલેક્ટ કરવાનો ઓપ્શન આવે છે?
No, that is for the content only. Title that is not available.
Content language એટલે
Yes.
સ્પીકિંગ બોલે છે એ language.
Yes, that language is there.
Okay.
Here you need to select the proper category. Suppose you are selecting the wrong category, your content will not be promoted. So you need to pick up that things. This is the basic settings. Along with that, you need to add the tags. Tags are the most important. Tags can help you a lot. If you are adding tags, you can use that particular options.
Tag માં tag finder બી હશે ને?
Yes, exactly. Tag finder is also there. For example, suppose I want to take the tags of this video. What I can do is extract tag from this particular video. So whatever the tag they have written, I can able to easily find it out. So there are two ways. I can use website. Extract tags from the YouTube video. That is one website. Here I am putting that particular URL. I'm copy pasting this URL. You can see the things. They have written codes like vitamin B12, vitamin B12, vitamin B12, vitamin B12 ની ઉણપ, vitamin B12 deficiency. So all these combinations they have written. So whatever you are searching for vitamin B12, might be there is a chances that this video will come up. And what is the view? You can see the things. What is exactly the view of this particular video? So go to the details. These many likes are also there. So many user has already liked it out. You can see the thing. Subscriber is also there. Here 16K, 16,000 views are there. So what you are supposed to do? Just check out your competitor video, extract some of the information from that, and put it on your video. So that can help you to get more and more customers, more and more visitors.
આપણું કઈક એવું એટલે એવું નહીં આનામ કેવું છે આપણે આપણું ટોટલ કન્સેપ્ટ અલગ હોય તો આપણા રિલેટેડ ટેક્સ્ટ ઓટોમેટિક જનરેટ કરી આપે જેમ કે આપણે એક કીવર્ડ લખીએ તો એના ટાઈપના રિલેટેડ ટેક્સ્ટ જનરેટ કરી આપે કે આ ટેગ થઈ શકે.
That one tool is also there, keywordtool.io. That tool is providing some of the popular keywords. For example, let's say અહીંયા આગળથી આપણે એક keyword જોયો, let's see symptoms of vitamin B12, for example. So I can search it out. I can go to the YouTube. So YouTube search will be, they are providing, let me search on it. So they will provide me that what is the exactly search volume, what are the people searching. So you can have the details, give deficiency. So here is the details. Symptoms of vitamin B12, symptoms of vitamin B12 deficiency, and so many other things are also. So this is very difficult to predict as a producer. So go to such websites, tick mark it out. For example, I can tick mark multiple things and I can copy paste it out. Here is options to copy paste, copy and paste it to directly your text. First go to your competitor, review some of the things. Again, 2-3 more options are also there. So what they are writing in descriptions, just also check it out. They are writing something like this. And don't provide exact video content into the descriptions. Otherwise, people will read the description and they will go somewhere else. And whenever you are newcomers, you are not having a subscriber, what is the best way? Best way is to don't go for the video, go for the live. YouTube live option is also there. Here, another option is go live. Go live can give you too much visitors because that will blast you. Make sure to go live with steady time. For example, let's say every day 9 p.m, every day 10 p.m, this video fix. See you tomorrow 10 p.m. Last statement will be something like this. So add some specific interval, daily, alternate day, weekly, that depends. But people want more and more content. So go for the daily if it is possible. They are consuming all the video in one day. So give whatever you can and take it. So this is the best way to get more and more customers.
સર આનામાં ખબર છે કે ગો લાઈવમાં આપણે પહેલા આવી એવી ઓપ્શન આપે છે કે પહેલા રેકોર્ડેડ વિડિયો કરી દેવાના પછી ડાયરેક્ટ ગો લાઈવમાં પ્રીમિયર એઝ અ પ્રીમિયર બતાવે. તો એમાં ટેક્સ બેક્સ ને એ બધું કેવી રીતે નાખવાનું?
Go live is something like a video uploading. So all the tags, all the things you can do it. But go live promotion will be different at YouTube angle. They are promoting at something different because that is a live thing is there. Live thing and video recorded is a different things. Video is a video just. Live is a live. In a live, people can interact, people can write a comment, people can ask the questions. Something is there. So that is the biggest thing. So you can use the OBS Studio software to live onto the YouTube channel. This software can help you to live with YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. And this is the free software. Yes. This software can help you to screen share, multiple audience, so many things. For example, banner, at the end you want to run banner. So many advertising banners are also there. So you can use this software to add a banner during live. Or switching. Let's say newsreader are doing switching. Camera 1 to camera 2, camera 2 to camera 3. So